Money run the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Nobody no care about good work. Nobody no care about honesty. All them care about is criminality.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Wagwan Unstoppable family. Now listen, me have a video for you, and I feel like I don't need to add or take away anything from what was said in this video, because I feel like this generally said it perfectly. The way him deliver the message was perfect. May I make you take a listen?
Yes. So Virgin, you know, this is poetry and police, you know. Sometimes you have to give a life. You know what I mean? Serve with Jamaica Constabulary Force with 22 years. I never seen nothing out of that. All I get was stress, heartache, and 2 gunshots, abandonment, and the rest. You know what I mean? No other things has been happening, but all you police officers, you know, young police officers, you know, like Christopher Porter say, leave the Jamaica Constabulary Force, because brethren, nothing in it for you know, but pain and suffering. Nothing but pain and suffering. You understand me? Nothing but pain and suffering. Right now in America, if a man can migrate, migrate, because of the best thing. You know what I mean? You understand me? Best thing, brother. You understand? Best thing could have happened to you. Seeing that policeman who died on the toll road the other day, because guess what? Police cannot enter the toll. You know what I mean? Them things they're not right. I mean, I say no police alone, but civilian too. Jamaica not ready for this yet. They're not ready for the people them yet. All of the money is being spent on other things. That's what I say, and none is being spent to better the country, to serve the people, to serve the country. That's what I say. And police officers are suffering, working in deplorable conditions, being underpaid, and have to fight to get little salary. So I say, when I look at my salary for all them years as a policeman in Jamaica, I laugh, because I waste my time, you know, brother. I wasted so much of my time. I had a green card and I was still in Jamaica like some fool. And I know more police in Jamaica who has their green card. Bro, why? Don't follow me, man. Put yourself in a better position. Leave Jamaica if you have a green card. Aspire to get a green card and leave Jamaica, because Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaica is not but corruption, politics, and policing. The government itself. You understand? Because nobody cares about the police in Jamaica. So if nobody don't care about you, why you stay in an organization who don't care about you? Who don't care about if you are well paid, who don't care about the conditions you work in, don't care about your life. You see what I say? Everybody around of Jamaica, police need to start, because nothing ready for we. You see what I say? A real thing. The day I saw now me I work my thing. See? My thing. This is my thing. And this me I don't know. This me I don't know. That belongs to me. See? This belongs to me. You understand? This belongs to me. See that? That's why I'm glad to leave the Jamaica Constabulary Force. This belongs to me. You understand? So anybody can come to America and acquire what I have acquired. You understand me? We can work crazy money a week time. Now I tell you, I work still. You understand me? But, brethren, if you're a police officer in Jamaica and you have the opportunity to leave Jamaica, please, I'm begging you, leave. Because the government doesn't care about any of us. The authorities don't care about us. Our own police stations don't care about us. Where we work, they don't care about us. If you look into the whole thing, you're shot and injured in the line of duty. You get injured in the line of duty. Nobody responsible for you. Nobody don't do nothing. God bless them right at diary entry. Like I'm saying, in my case, it was like my situation never even existed. They couldn't even find a file that I was injured. You understand? Not even a file that I was injured, they couldn't find. May I tell you that? That is how bad it is. One day I went to the commissioner office because they said I didn't file my some tax return thing. I declare my assets. And when I went there, they saw me with a cane. And they asked me, why are you walking with a cane? I said, you don't know? He said, I've been shot and injured how much years now, you don't know? So you see that? They were aware of the fact that I never declare my assets. But they were not aware of the fact that this man has been shot twice, or this man has been shot and injured and is on protracted sick leave. Nobody knows about that because they don't care. Every superintendent of police in Jamaica are politicians. All they care about is politics and their career after the force. When a man reach commissioner, you know, at the last post that he, you know. So when him leave, he wants to secure a position in politics. That's policing in Jamaica. So everybody have to favor politicians. To hell with you, the constable. To hell with you, the sergeant, or the corporal, or the inspector sometimes. You understand me? How dare you arrest their friends? How dare you stop their friends on the road and write them a ticket? Eh? Brethren, you file with you to file 13 and you don't get no promotion because what you do? You are doing your job. You give one of them big friends a ticket. And you fail to cancel the ticket. We know from time immemorial that that's been going on. I saw the organization check. You arrest one of their drugs friends, their gangster friends. You are terrorize the community where the politician or them friend is in charge of. The Right Honorable Prime Minister, when he was in charge of Tower Avenue, said me a troublemaker. Yes, Andrew Holness, you identified me as a troublemaker. So I was a troublemaker for doing my job. So Andrew Holness, I know nobody. I'm a criminal a long time. Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, support gunmen, support criminal activities long time. A policeman in the area doing his job. And they say I'm a troublemaker. Because all I do is go around and make trouble in the community. Because I was labeled as a troublemaker for doing my job as a policeman. But learn this in the police. If you're not do your job, nobody can label you like that, you know. You have to work. Because them say the only good police is a dead police. Remember that? That away. Gunman say. Now police I look cheap popularity. I don't look cheap popularity. I never looked it before. I never wanted any. If I have to be a criminal to be popular, then to hell with popularity. I don't need that. You understand? I don't need no superintendent to like me. You don't have to promote me, brethren. I promote myself. But when I was working, I consider myself an inspector or higher. Because I did my job. And I know I was qualified to be promoted. I was working enough to be promoted. But still, that was not forthcoming. Hail Christopher Porter. Hail Donovan McCoy. You hear that? Hail all of the top. Hail the dread. From Mounts Bay. There's something I say, Inspector Mackenzie. Inspector Gardner who died Inspector Gardner who died because of the job. Hail Inspector Gardner. Good police. Sometimes we have to look back and look on the fallen soldiers them too and who left. And who set the thing a certain way. Because you have to look up to some good police. Detective Inspector Gunter. Not even a scratch of corruption. Those are good police officers who we should emulate. There's too much corruption in the organization, and these corruption are stemming from the hierarchy of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Because guess what? You have some little man, all them do is suck up the soup, and then we do anything for the soup. Then we all kill a police for the soup. Because the soup work with politician, you know. And he want Blake for dead. Because Blake a scotch him area. Blake do him job too much in him area. Blake recover too much gun in him area. Blake stop too much drug trafficking in him area and too much criminal activities in the MP area. So Blake for dead or Blake for transfer. I remember one time I went to work one morning when Lucius was Commissioner of Police. Documents were there for me to be transferred to flying squad. You may say people flying squad, you know. The commissioner knew nothing about the transfer. I knew nothing about this transfer. I never applied for transfer to flying squad. But guess what? But they done here in the pipeline already. Because it's good to have friends everywhere you go as police, you know. Because a man done tell me long time, say a certain meeting keep down in the Olympic garden we are there with certain politicians. And the recommendation was to move Blake. Because Blake a troublemaker. So me I say, Blake a work too much. Blake a stop certain things for him, so Blake for move. Or dead. But then can't kill me because I don't know. They have to come good. So them prefer to transfer me. Because I'm going to lose up myself and no boy come kill me like that. And if you come kill me, you're dead too. That is how I pre my thing. You understand? Because I'm not scared of nobody. You get me I say? But that's the thing, bro. I was doing my job, yet the politicians met together and worked with certain man and transfer me. How them do that? Why? A corruption, you see it? I was transferred by politicians because I was doing my job. Because they labeled me as a troublemaker. Then if you have a good police I work and I do job and I recover a gun and I send man to prison and you want to transfer him. So I say, just like when I was working at Huntsby the last stint at Huntsby. Everybody who know me from Huntsby know that every night I work I recover firearm. And I was recovering firearm almost every night. And I had a team. Preacher, big up yourself, you were part of that team. You can talk about that. Tyrone Simmet, big up yourself. One of the best police I ever worked with. You understand? Decent, clean police. Honest police. Best police I ever worked with. I can remember we were recovering gun almost every night. And yet, the DSP in charge of crime want to mash up the team. Remember, you in charge of crime, you know? Mikey Phipps, are you in charge of crime in the Bridget? And you have a team where recover gun almost every night. And at the same time, you wanted to break up the team. Why? Why you want to break up a team that is performing? That is one thing I never understand. I never ask you about it. You want to break up a team that was performing. A team that was doing good work in the division. A team that was uncorrupted. But yet, you want to break up the team. Why? Because the team was doing too much. Why? We were arresting your friends or something? Everybody know the thing going on. We know all of the lines and the connections in a St. Andrew South, because Huntsby we work. At Kingston 13 we grew up. Never you people believe that nothing at Kingston 13 we Blake never know about. I know everything, man. We know everybody we are mixed up with dirty boy in a Kingston 13. We know all of that. All police would do them things, and I knew that. All who send out hit palm me know that. All who send me for dead, me knew that. That when you thought I didn't know. So I say, all because I was doing my job. And listen, police, once you work as a good police, let me, you can't trust your own police, they will kill you. Because of money is the root of all evil, and Jamaica is most hustlers than honest people. Everybody want to go to the top. Every little boy born nowadays want to be done. Every girl born nowadays want to deal with a drugs man. Every police want to be done. Every police want to come into the work, come drive big car, and thief, rob drugs men and do all type of things and involved in a corruption. Most police nowadays, you hardly can find a good police nowadays. The force mash up because the training thing change and the whole investigation into people's background change. You understand me? That's the problem. Nothing now put in place. Nobody now train good again. And them thing they are going in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, they don't care about the members. Nobody cares about the members. Neither the politician, not even the commissioner of police. See me walk around, like I always say, commissioner of police, you are nothing but a paper boy. A paper boy. You understand? A model on the catwalk. That's what you are. Andrew Holness. You don't care about Jamaica. You don't care about the police. You don't care about solving crime in Jamaica. You don't care about stopping crime in Jamaica. You don't even care about people being stuck on the highway and need emergency assistance. That's how bad Jamaica is. Better somebody just bust a shot in the police and kill him and done. Because of that what go on. The man's life may have been spared if certain things were put into place. Not because it's a police, but for anybody who involved in an accident on the highway. Still vexed about the thing. But guess what? We are going to do it, you know. We are going to do it. Because guess what? We passed to the Jamaica Constabulary Force and better life is ahead. And better life is going on right now. Because the Jamaica Constabulary Force is nothing but stress. Police work in Jamaica are the most stressful job. And yet still, you don't have nobody to counsel you at the end of the day. Nobody to talk to you about the things that you have got through. Can you tell a one sergeant something or a one man something? The whole division, a matter of fact, the whole Jamaica Constabulary Force know your business. You understand me? I saw the thing set. You don't have nobody to talk to as police. Because we don't even have a personal management division in place to properly counsel police and talk to police professionally. You know what I mean? So we are left on our own. I was left on my own. I was shot twice, been to jail twice, never got a day in counseling. Instead, I was abandoned by the organization. That is how the organization is. It gives no thanks to whosoever serves, but it gives thanks to the criminal elements of the Jamaica Constable Force. People who are not doing their jobs, people who are just in it to make money and make links with politicians and drug dealers and gunmen. Those are the people who are rewarded. And once you have money as a constable, you know, you're more powerful than a soup. And me say that, you know, if you think I joke me, I make ask Christopher Porter, ask Bobby Reds, ask some other police about that. And they will tell you, if you have money in the force as a corporal, as a constable, all the soup afraid of you. All the soup take time to talk to you because you have money. Learn that. Money run the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Nobody no care about good work. Nobody no care about honesty. All them care about is criminality. May I tell you that. Bless up, you know. Hope you have a good day, you know. A poetry and police are Blakey this, you know. Original unspear general, you know. Learn that, you know. I do. See it here? And this way I do. Right now, this way I do. Yeah, from the constabulary to this. Yeah, this way I do. From the constabulary to this. Around the road now. I drive right now, 1 little 2 hour drive and come back. And I'll tell you how much I get in my pockets with a good amount. Alright, see you until next time. Hear that?
Now you see why I say I no need for other take away anything to what the general say. Because him lay it out perfectly. Now if you hear the message and you not understand it, then me no know what else you need for hear. Family, as I said, me not go add and me not go take away. So me just go wrap up right here. So this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what. Don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.